Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I'm about to show you one of the most powerful and impressive vacuums on the market today. This one is a beast in terms of the suction power, the runtime on this battery, and the easy maneuverability. This is going to change your world. Now it's got an easy on-off to where you're not pulling a trigger all the time, and I like that, just a single push. It's also got, as you can see, a really nice LED set in green to make cleaning and seeing that dirt like you have a microscope. Adjustable power, gets it ultra quiet and long lasting as well. But you can kick it up and get those hard to reach, hard dirt spots. On top of that, we're talking, look at this. This is just from a few seconds of vacuuming. See all that hair? My floor isn't that dirty, is it? Holy cow. This thing is doing a great job of sucking up all the dirt. And if you notice, it's almost silent. That's because it's got great rubberized wheels. Look at this. You can get underneath hard to reach spots, and you can lean left and right with this and completely control this easily with the touch of a hand. On top of that, no dust bags. You don't have to replace dust bags. All you have to do is click right here. It's going to empty out into your trash. And you can pop off the battery and charge it at any time. And it has a great, easy to read LED light right there. And it's ultra filtered to keep your air smelling fresh. Your vacuum cleaner makes your house stink. It's time to get one of these. If you still got a cord, it's time to get one of these. If yours doesn't have the LED lights on the front, it's time to get one of these. Ultra fine brush that will show you up close and personal. And I absolutely love the filtering system on this is second to none. Those LED lights are going to work like spotlights finding dirt. And it has a variety of attachments. That's right. You can clean the car. You can clean the couch. You can get up that dirt and debris. And you can get high up in the air with this thing, getting all those cobwebs. So folks, don't take it from me. You need to go ahead and pick this thing up. It's a handy dandy, fantastic new vacuum cleaner that is cordless, powerful, and oh so fantastic. All right folks, stick around for the up close portion of the video, but if you're looking for a great vacuum cleaner, one that will not disappoint, well, guess what? This is the bee's knees. It's the cat's pajamas. It's ultra filtered, easy to replace those filters, and really a nice device. So go ahead and get it and don't think twice. Thanks again for watching. I'm gonna get to vacuuming and stick around for the up close portion of our video. All right, folks, I also gotta show you this. See, this wood floor looks clean. You take the green light, and it's like a spotlight for dirt, dust, debris, dog, and pet hair. So yeah, what you didn't see before, you see now. Turn down the light, you would never see any of that. Turn on the light, and you're seeing all that dirt and debris you didn't know you had. It's fantastic. All right, folks, now it's time for the up-close portion of the video where I get to show you the product as if it just arrived at your house, just like it just arrived at my house. This is the Maircle, hope I said that right, the Vacuum Cleaner S3-PRO. Net weight is 7.5 kilograms, and I'm very excited about this. Is there anything else important on the box? It does have the carrying handle, and I'm sure you could pack it up, store it out, things like that. And it's a perfect gift idea for under the tree. Yeah, under your tree is the place to be. Now it looks like there is a lot to this. I'm going to show you all about it. Make sure I'm getting in the camera frame here. Everything is individually wrapped, so we're going to take a moment and unwrap a few of the pieces. But yeah, so much stuff here. You can see this is our device itself. Boom. Shake the room. See the big filter there, the easy drop container to empty it out. Bag free, the way to be. You're going to have some plus and minus here, some power on once we get the battery into it, of course. So, looks like this would be the battery, so that would be the next part that we'll go ahead and add in. The battery will just slide in accordingly. How nice is that? vanilla ice is twice as nice. Then we're going to go ahead, this looks like that tube that connects the main unit to the floor unit. And I like that this is moderately intuitive to put together. One more step and we're going to go ahead and grab the floor piece. This is it, folks. Very excited. Let's go ahead and look at this in detail. Now, I can already tell this is going to be easy to get underneath your stuff, and it's going to rotate up, down, left, right. The rubberized wheels are going to keep it quieter than those plastic wheels, and you can see this is going to be great for lint and dirt and debris. LED lights, looks like 6 of them. It's the Tidy Roll brush, and that's going to be good for being able to see where you're vacuuming. I'm going to go ahead and put that into place as well. So now we've got our vacuum together. It was just that easy. I'm going to set that aside and show you some of the other accoutrements. Looks like you've got the adjustable wand. You know, if you don't have a, instead of using the tube, you can use this for getting those high and hard to reach places. Looks like, ooh, a 2-in-1 brush / crevice tool. That's going to be a nice addition as well. Just press down on there. There we go. Now I figured it out. Sometimes it takes you a second, just like that. Pretty fantastic. You've got, this might be a charging unit. Let's see if this is a charger or not. Yeah, that's for plugging into the wall. Easy peasy. The full-on, whoa, somebody's coming. This is going to be a great vacuuming tool. I've never seen one quite like this. This is going to be great for getting up that additional hair and lint. All right, the Maircle manual. The docking station for setting everything on. And of course. Look at this. So, another piece here. So, folks, if you're looking for something fantastic, this is the bee's knees and the cat's pajamas. We got another filter. And let me show you real quick how nice this is. I like that it has that docking stand and the lint-free brush 1.0. Try and pick up all that lint. This is going to be great for the sofa. So folks, if you're looking for a great product, one that's going to make it easier for you to vacuum, well, guess what, folks? This is the beast for you. Go ahead and pick it up. You won't be disappointed. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Looks like it's got the LED lights to show you how much juice is left in it. And yeah, look at that. Let's turn it on. Shows you the available runtime. Turn it up, turn it down. Adjust the runtime, get longer. Turn on the power, get longer runtime, etc. Easy on and off. All right, thanks for watching. Go ahead and pick this up. You will not be disappointed. A sturdy, powerful vacuum cleaner that's going to suck and suck. All right, thanks for watching and goodbye.